Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Patrick and Partners on Bob Iagino. So Bitcoin finding some key resistance just shy of our 3200 level, 3167, 3170 in there. Pretty big reversal, came down to test the bottom rotation zone prior Gann level and some prior resistance becoming support. Not holding there, coming back down. We have this next little support area here and the 50% retracement level from this prior up move, 11,746, essentially 11,750. That's holding right now. Below that, if we fall below that, we'll be watching for a return to this other key support area, about 11,126 area based off the 4-hour chart. At this point, I'm just going to drag these up since we have the bigger correction in case we do rally back up. And we're also, now this isn't official because we don't have a pausing bar yet, but it'll give us an idea. So that reinforces his upper level. So we now have a cluster, 11,242. So that's, before it's 11,126, I'd really be focused on this 11,242 based off this cluster, based off this level holding. Now, if we rally back up a bit, then this is a pausing bar. If we don't, that level will have to be updated. Keep that in mind. Also, you see on this push higher high in price action, lower high in RSI, nice divergence. When you see divergences, doesn't mean it's going to necessarily reverse like this, but it's a wise decision to at least move up your stops if you're looking to lock in some profits. So that way, you're not just exiting. You're moving up your stops, so if we do have a bigger reversal, you are prepared. You get some of your position stopped out, then you get to add it back when you get a nice reversal at a lower level. So that's what we're looking for based off the 4-hour chart. Daily chart, we're just back to the top of the rotation zone, so nothing to be concerned about there. The bottom of the rotation zone comes into 11,126, so this is a very key area based off the 4-hour and the daily. A close below 11,126 would then be a close below the rotation zone, and then we'd start watching for the lower levels and a possibly return to the low formed on the 2nd of July. Switching over to Ethereum. So Ethereum, also big reversal here, coming down, holding this prior support level. So you see it was support right here, support here, resistance here, and then plummeting through it, coming all the way down to the bottom of this channel, finding the 200 period simple moving average and the 12.5% Gann retracement from before. That's where it's found some temporary support right now. We can now put on this. We do have a pausing bar. So if this level does not hold, this 284 level, we'll be watching for 277 and then major cluster now back at these lows from the 1st of July, coming in at 272.65 and reinforced by this projection down. So those are your next two levels lower. On any rally, we'd be watching for about 295 to 297 as key resistance. If we got through there, we'd be watching for about 300 to 302 as the next level of resistance on any rally. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart. So clearly back below the rotation zone. Rotation zone now getting very flat and wavy. So we're going to sort of ignore the rotation zone on the daily right now and be watching for a key close below on a daily basis. A key close below about 283 would be bearish. And you also see the 50-day exponential moving average right down coming in at that July 1st and that Gann cluster. So this is a very important level, this 270, 265 area. Won't get back into bullish mode until you get a close above 318. So we're sort of bracketed in this congestion or consolidation area, waiting for a breakout one way or the other. Shorter term traders can trade those shorter term levels and watch for reversals. Longer term traders should be watching either on a continued down move, then we watch for a reversal pattern. On an up move, then you watch for it to break out and then going with the rotation zone. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.